Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see Facebook Messenger password. You cannot view your Facebook Messenger password directly from within the Messenger application. Messenger uses your Facebook account credentials for login, and it does not store or display your password for security reasons. So, for you to reset or to manage your Facebook password from within the Messenger application, these are the steps that you can take. From this homepage, I would like you to navigate to the left corner of your screen where you have the kebab menu. Click on that and it takes you to this page where you have chat, marketplace, message request, and archive. Of course, at the top, you have your username, and to the right, you have the settings wheel. Click on the settings. Now it takes you to this page where you have a couple of options which include dark mode, active status, username, supervision, orders, payment, avatar, privacy and settings, also privacy and safety, notifications and sound, photo and media, memories, free features, and all the way down to the account center. So from this account center, you can manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta technologies. Over there, you have personal details, password, and security. So click on See More in Account Center. Now it takes you to this window where we have a couple of options right under account settings, and one of them include password and security. Now go ahead and click on password and security. Then it takes you to this window where you have change password, two-factor authentication, safe login, and of course your security checks. Now click on change password, and then it takes you here where you can choose the account you want to make changes to. Click on the account and it opens you up to this page where you can now enter your current password, your new password, and then retype the new password, and you're good to go. So for some reason, Facebook does not save your password, which is a security reason in itself. This is how we can manage your Facebook password. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.